Nunu. Welcome to Tune In For You, or so it seems. How you guys doing? I'm so glad you clicked on the video today. I got a few things. I went shopping. Yeah, I just want to show you what I got. My sister just had a baby. Congratulations to you. I'm going to be mailing off her gift for the baby. So, let me show you what I got. Isn't this cute? Isn't this the cutest diaper bag you ever want to have? I got this from Newbies. I'm like, oh yes, this is a banging diaper bag. Yes. So, I'm just going to stuff the diaper bag with the little stuff that I got. So, that's what we're doing. I'm going to take all of this out. I'll give you a lot of it too. I mean a lot. A lot. I mean a lot. It's nice and empty. Okay, so let me show you what I got. Onesies. Now, you can't go wrong with onesies. I'm going to DIY these and put some little funny, little cute little sayings on them and stuff. So we're going to put these to the side. Okay, so I got this, the little sleeper. Isn't that cute? I got this. Isn't that cute? That's cute. Okay, so I got this. I got these bows. Isn't that cute? Love a bow. And I got these. And then I got this. Got these cute little onesies. Isn't that cute? Look at the leopard. I know I love me some leopard. Hey. And then we got the little Mickey Mouse. Isn't it cute? Look at that. Got the little socks to go with it. The little hat. Yes, love that. And I got a mixture of 6 months, 8 months, 9 months, all different type of stuff. So, got her another little sleeper. Got her another little outfit. Okay, some more cute little chickadee. Look at that, look, ain't that cute? I was like, oh, I love it so much. A mini. We got some little pants. Okay, this is cute. I'm gonna be putting some vinyl on this. I'm gonna put this to the side. And then we got this, one of a kind. Isn't that cute? I was trying to find as much purple stuff as I could. Little purple, another little sleeper. Okay. Got her some little socks, Got her some little pacifiers. I don't know if she's gonna be using pacifiers or not, but if she do, she got. Look at these cute little shoes. Look at the cute little shoes. Ain't they cute? Okay, got a little Hello Kitty. Yay. And then I had to get my sister some jammies. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get her some jammies. So I got her some little purple little jammies. Just little for the mom. Gotta have that. Boom. So that's gonna be for her. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna stuff everything in a little bag. And the last thing I got was some onesies. Now, you can't go wrong with onesies. I'm gonna DIY these and put some little funny, little cute little sayings on them and stuff. So we're gonna put these to the side so I can DIY these. So I'm gonna DIY this. And I'm gonna DIY this. And I'm gonna DIY this. And I think that's it. Okay, so I head on over to Design Space on the Cricut, and then I'm just going to go to the canvas, and then it's going to give me a blank slate. What I'm going to do is click this plus sign right here, and over here you got image, you got shape, text, template, and upload. I'm going to do text. And now I'm just going to type out justice. Okay, so I typed the second text, and now I'm just going to put better – feed. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 101 102 103 104 105 106 107 108 109 110 111 112 113 114 115 116 117 118 119 120 121 122 123 124 125 126 127 128 129 130 131 132 133 134 135 136 137 138 139 140 141 142 143 144 145 146 147 148 149 150 151 152 153 154 155 156 157 158 159 1 Okay, so we got you better feed, and then we got justice. So I'll say, you better feed justice. You better feed justice. Guess what? Or no peace. So we're going to hit it to plus again. Text. And then or no peace. I love it. And we just going to move this down. Okay. So this is what I'm thinking for the onesie. You better feed justice or no peace. Get it? No justice, no peace. So you better feed her or you don't get no peace. She's going to be wham. Okay. So the next one I'm going to cut out is don't make me call my auntie, because, yes, she need a onesie that say, don't make me call my auntie, okay? Or I was thinking, pack me a trip. I'm going to Vegas since I'm in Vegas. I don't know. What do you think? Let me know down in the comment section. What would you make for a baby's onesie? You got to make it personalized, of course. So, yeah. Okay. So, we're going to head over to make. And then we got to turn the mirror off. And that's going to be this button right here. And then we go to next. And then it's going to tell us to load the machine. Yep, so I went ahead and cut this out, and I'm just going to go ahead and iron it onto the little onesie. It's purple. I think it's purple. Is this purple or blue? Let me know down in the comment section. What do you think? Is this purple or is this blue? I thought it was purple, but the more I look at it, I'm like, is this blue? Is this for a boy? I don't know. So anyway, I'm going to put her name on it so we know it's for her. Take it off. Oh, cute. I love it. I love it so much. Cute little justice. Okay. Don't make me call my auntie. She got my number. And see, this is the last thing that I had end up picking up. And this is just a 2-piece cuddle pal blanket set. So you got the cute little do-do-do-do-do-do-do. And then you got your blanket. So yeah, it's gonna send that. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.